Is your bonsai tree dying, or is it just deciduous? Let's talk about it. If you live in a colder climate, you might notice that some trees drop their leaves during the winter season. Leaves change color because it's sucking the chlorophyll back into the plant to give it more energy to prepare it for a long winter. One of the main reasons that trees drop their leaves is to reduce transpiration, or the loss of water through the leaf mass. It can get cold and dry through winter months, so having leaves on your tree and then water moving through them is counterproductive to the health of the tree. So they drop those leaves in order for that tree to prepare for the winter. Dropping leaves is also really helpful for when snow falls on a tree. If you have a lot of leaf mass, the snow will hold onto the leaves and potentially break limbs. So this pomegranate might look like it's dying, but it's actually just preparing for the winter. Check it out, it's got a little fruit on it too. The Chinese elm is another species that's partially deciduous. Sometimes they'll drop their leaves, sometimes they won't. It really depends on where you live and how cold it gets. This Japanese maple has already lost all of its leaves. Now, deciduous trees differ vastly from what you call evergreens. Evergreens keep their color and their leaf mass throughout the entire year, like this juniper. So if you see a tree dropping leaves during the winter season, I recommend looking up the species to check if it's a deciduous tree, like this Osage orange. So remember, if your tree's dropping its leaves, there's a chance it could be dying, or it might just be deciduous. Now get out there and practice, and don't forget to water.